As earlier stated, this is the last session, and it's a panelist session. We'll be having 4 professionals that will be sharing their knowledge and expertise with you. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
We're eager to hear from you. So for our participants, let's keep the questions rolling in. But before we get into the business of the day, I'm going to introduce each panelist. I will be starting off with Bukola. Bukola is passionate about digital advertising and brand management. She works in an international digital marketing company in France, where she manages the daily monitors account tax related to Google AdWords, Bing, Yahoo, and other search platforms for a variety of clients. In our fast-changing world, she believes the future lies in effective communication and digital marketing, either through the search engines like Google and Bing or the social networks. Outside work, she engages in non-profit organization activities as she loves and many more. She's fluent in English, French, and Yoruba. She takes initiatives and she takes initiatives, and she's very result oriented, and she believes that whatever your hand finds to do it with all your might. Bukola, welcome once again to this session.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much
I'll go.
for having us.
It's nice to have you. I'll go over to Olaide. Olaide Agbola is a software engineer with experience using JavaScript along with different frameworks and libraries, including Node.js, Express, React, and Angular. She has worked as a software engineer with different organizations to build out web applications for servicing customers and others for internal use in the organization. She has experience working on software across different industries, ranging from education, arts, e-commerce, hospitality, and construction. She graduated from the university with a Bachelor's of Science in Computer Science and has pursued a career in software development ever since. Welcome, Olaide, to this session. We're privileged to have you here.
Thank you.
I'll go to our next panelist, which is Yemi. Yemi has been writing code to create applications for over 10 years and doesn't intend to stop anytime soon. His passion and somewhat telepathic ability to analyze and understand requirements and string together the perfect fit solution sets him above his peers. It brings to bear a strong infotech academic background, valuable hands-on experience, and proven top-notch technical ability to steer Tullabyte towards taking a leading position in creating solutions that will drive the future of Africa. Welcome, Yemi Tula, on today's session.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
I'll go to the last but not the least panelist. I'll read the panelist is Mark. I'll read this profile of Mark now. Mark is a front-end developer with over 6 years of experience in software development. He uses JavaScript to build powerful and fast React applications. He currently works with Submitech as a senior front-end engineer. Thank you, Mark. We're happy to have you here. Thank you guys for coming.
It's an honor.
So we'll go straight to the business of the day. We have questions for you already, and we'll be sharing them with you. So our first question is from Gabriel Otumo, and is asking, how can we build a successful tech company despite the harsh climate for entrepreneur? I would direct this question to Yemi.
All right, thank you very much once more for the opportunity to be on this panel. Okay, so the question again is, how can we build a successful tech company despite the ash? What you can do, firstly, with the ash climate and all of that, at least you must remove all of, strip away all of the razzmatazz. What people really want is they want working solutions. So somebody who is trying to recruit people in the organization and wants a recruitment portal just wants to be able to get, put out their vacancies and see, applications in their mail, search through it, browse through it, and select who they want to select, invite them for interview or whatever. As long as your solution works for the customer, for the client, you're already halfway there. So you must be able to, you must task yourself to get to a stage where you can actually create something that works. You can create things that work. If you want to work in a wide range of industries, you can do that. But so if you want to focus on a particular industry, do that. But make sure that you can at least do something that is good and it works. Because you cannot go out to the market without being able to do solutions. So whether you want to go for a product that you want to take out to the market, or you want to offer bespoke solutions to people, you must be able to build something. If you cannot build anything, you can't start being an entrepreneur. Or is it that you want to put a team together? But at least be able to create solutions. That is what is important. Then another thing that I think is important is you need to start from where you are. Start with who you know, who you can do business with. The great advice that will give many starters, or many starters get, is that at the beginning, you might not be looking out for the maximum profit. At that point in time, what you are trying to do is to build your portfolio. So if you can get, like I said, be able to have a working solution, or have the ability to build something that works. If you have a working solution or have the ability to build that works, the next step is I need to get into the hands of people. And from that point onwards, I am seeing these guys, they can do it. So that I think that's what is important. Have a solution that works and get it out there at first. And if that works for people, that is where you start from. And I don't really see that climate as being very, very harsh. If you can do those two, if you have your solution, I would just say start. It's not really. So I think that's from me. That's all from me first.
Solve a problem, basically. Thank you. Thank you so much for that. I'll direct this next question to Buki. And this is from David Garcia from France. He's asking, what are the main issues we have to overcome as a society in order to win the battle against the social problems that the COVID-19 has revealed to mankind? Over to you, Buki.
Okay. Thank you very much for the question, and thank you once again for having me here. So the question is, what are the main issues we have to overcome as a society? We all have to be conscious of ourselves and what we're doing. It's not the time where we can easily jump on everyone or hug everyone. If you